This is why you need me as your realtor. Nobody else is out here doing this. Hey guys, I've got a 4-bed, 3-bath, beautiful brand new home that I want to show you. It's listed at $379,000. Let's go check it out. Now guys, this builder has different specials every single day. Right now, for this home, you'd want to put about $23,000 down to secure it. It's 2,200 square feet. It's a great option. It's tucked away in the neighborhood, so it's not going to be super noisy and a ton of drive-through traffic. Those are just a few things that I love about this home. If you want to see it in person, swipe up, message me, send me a DM.